fearless, atụ isi na ọma mmezi ọbụla ọgwụ na ọma nlekwa fearless, lion heart. Yeah, what's up, my people? How far now? How on a day? Can I am okay, I'm just here to say one or two things in my more normal live video or chasing clouds. You know, people that knows me knows that I'm a very realistic person. I'm somebody who see there. Do you understand? And the Nigeria they get a mad need any double challenges. In a face reality, but we face for social media. That's another thing I'm right now. Do you understand? So I've never done this before, and it might be my last time, and I don't am here for anything. Ask about me, Facebook, I'm not monetized. So I'm not chasing crowd. I'm not monetized. If I want, I will be monetized today or tomorrow, but I'm not monetized. I just keep my Facebook like that, have engagement. So I will focus, because this monetization might make me to start posting rubbish and start chasing clouds. So now, the mother say, I call Elia, what's all for online. You know that go? Each of pastor, say no, I'm a move pastor choice, no, give me and I call Elia. I believe not because of the Facebook demonetized. On Wednesday 4 a.m., I'll put on a Facebook on April. Do you understand? So, but this thing I'm trying to say now is very important, and I don't care where the video is going, and I don't care what people will say, and I don't care how you people will see it, because I'm this person. Now they send the end money. Melania feel na me metagia. Yomna sogi kuzia daily nokwea. Please, I'm seeing a viral video about Okwuluora, the good man. Okwuluora is a guy, money abro friend, abro friend, Otua. We follow each other. We have known for years, but only have an abro friend. From January to December, I had a panako, but I did number one. That doesn't mean I have a friend. But I have an event, I am Wakoa, I can, you know, or Gabakwa. Oji number meji munkia, we are good. Like this video now, I'm not sure Okwuluora about this video. Do you understand? But when we call about online or for my name a video. But let me tell you people something. Mpoto gayala kobubuye. Igbos, we are losing our own. Ndi Igbo, I may lose if I can. Like I say, come on Facebook and go ye in a problem. Because now was na go each post video, post to your content. Ki Ili Ji chase clouds when men them mad here. Do you understand? Now, Okwuluora, I just saw a video. One guy posted on Instagram, you know, and they accepted receipt to accept 10K about this thing. I hit my heart about this guy and Okwuluora. Mobu no more of yeah, I'm a may follow mother from far. Only may follow na social media from far. Ne follow and malo engagement here near. Ndi Igbo, omunembu Ndi Igbo. Kedu ka you opened a group chat. Okay, no calf. Now, come along 1 month before this thing. If you know me, so many of my people, I opened a group called Delians na Telegram. The group was very hot. The group, the fucking hot. The whole world, Ndi Igbo not there. Then I'm the owner of Delians. Also, now, we did decide about hot. Also, can Jimechi Obutana with the group. if you know one female wa metande madumma. The only thing you do metande madumma, some people be walumma. E kwachanya, tia na belegi, bepi sigi. In fact, some people know why kita. Ipe pugodi sigi. I swear to God, he met a be famma. Ingo pastel, he met a be famma. Now, abu mwanye ne follow ife maduku. Ine kwoku na nene ga na malifi ye. Why am that intelligent? Ask people that know me. Ask any celebrity mama money and all. So many celebrities who know me, the bigger than me, 100 plus 150 and above na phone for advice. Only for munse me ya. Now, I want to see the account number age move that money to Okwuluora's account. That's number one. And I want to see that conversation where Okwuluora said, yes, pay the woman. I want to see that conversation where Okwuluora said, yes, pay the woman. I'm in support. I supported you to pay the woman. She's a reliable source. Now, Okwuluora influenced the woman in that group. Yeah, wabula select. It just so kwalo nwege. You know, onye gini ano na group emeko ife. Onye gini emeko si ife na that group. Buputezi onwe. Na asizi na onye nwe group ade ekwu. Na fuzi na ebe na ase na Okwuluora na delete say those things. I want believe vocal words. Me wukita okwefu this woman inyero me go because I say that woman onwe do man yesigega ibo Ọmenala, you are a madman. Ona say yeah, that in a group it scattered a whole lot of things. Ona say but you people should stop saying about this thing in that group. Only delete those vocal words me because yeah group dey unite. Here kuzino ne delete o ekwo maka the woman ne delete here. Manipulators. Manipulators. I know about all these things. I'm a mundine chase crowds. I know them. Imangwa makaha. I know them. But the only thing na yobo. Okwuluora bụ nkai. Let's be sure. Onye luo kita na mechina tagodo onu. I'm the chief priest. Yes, I created something out of nowhere. Before Ndi Igbo support one, I know what I passed through. I'm a ritualist, I'm mono, God forbid. Before so many people are support one. Now, what will go Ndi Igbo? What did I gain? Do you understand? Kienge nuna dorime chief priest abiago ni Igbo. Buli Igbo culture. Ebugali gi obolo nka anyi. Kedifen nege nunia. Hatred. For some people. Some people still love me. Some people are still talking bad. That's why in I 1 or 2 shows. I don't send that your money. Just value my own. But I'm short all get bad down. But obodo ni what ego nyam biali show without. What am I saying? Kedu ebe that guy, those people transfer Okwuluora those money. I figure John way. Then Kebo Okwuluora influence this woman sin a be ego. You can't just come out. Did that for onye them more fuma oto makanin mo social media because of new followers. Open those business work or keta. Okwuluora mama ke. Very dark man. Let me tell you one thing. My junior brother. If you don't know Ndale, you are not even a junior brother. You are a son. Forget Kwan and Luke Yongo. You are like a son. Brother. God knows I don't have bad intention about anybody. I know when you called me out last time, Instagram, I know what you said, that now I'm chopping money like Poppy. You don't even give me respect. I didn't reply you because I'm bigger than that. I perform. If you see me chopping money, just know that I'm performing. I'm not worshiping the money. I am performing. I'm entertaining people with eating that money like that. And I'm paid daily for it. Now millions to see in daily. So, my brother, you've said so many things. So many good, so many bad, so many evil, so many rights, so many. You've said everything to make sure nobody demma, right? Brother, before you say something, sometimes ask question. I believe no rezo. Hey bro, this is what I heard about you. Bro, see evidence, see evidence. So you now hear from Okwuluora, you say no, Okwuluora, you are lying. You cut the call. You come online and say, yes, this is what I see from Okwuluora. This is what I hear from Okwuluora. This is what Okwuluora did. And I called Okwuluora. I'll be so proud of you. I don't know how to explain. Una just not what to have mad because of Nunu social media followers. I have over 300,000 people following me on this Facebook. Obuda can make you put up what I have on them come. Why ni borrow Okwuluora on a phone? Not from him. You know, say from him, Odo guy and the guy in a that you are not convinced. Come out and drag him. Yes. Because for a very dark man will say, yes, and I called Okwuluora. I want to hear what happened. And Okwuluora told me this and that. What the fuck? Me like this self. I know they dial Okwuluora number. January to December. I swear with my life. My own is that you know from this side, you know from this side. Icon at auto no fuonya. You should have put call. Zeus will be your friend. Oh, yeah, Jinombo Okwuluora. Hello, Zeus. I need you to connect me with this guy called Okwuluora. This is what I hear. What's up? Because you know this guy has been helping people for years. For years, he has been there for people. He has helped so many people. I've never seen you come out and say, Okwuluora, you are good. I love you for helping people. Now, someone told you something about him. You come out. Damage here without hearing from him. Why I'm saying this thing, Igbo General, you guys know how much I love you people. And I swear, this is my craft. And when you force them to change it, if I will die here. Now this east, I'm comfortable, I'm fine. I am Ndi Igbo mamado. But you know utezimboze kaisi drag your wine, maka Facebook. Ego nka Facebook na haku. Ego nko na haku. E decide go na haku na mdo ogwo ka nwa London melefa. Because I can come online, can we views. Go check most of my video on Facebook. I have millions of views. Millions of views. At times. Some of my videos were millions of views. And one of 15 naira near Facebook had 1 naira. Can you lead the corrupt with that money? Nah, can me post now? Hey, can me post now? Hey, Okwuluora, Zeus, no views, make a lip. I love the prestige. I love the prestige. Please, my brothers and sisters, I will really appreciate if we, I'm no Okwuluora, I'm not a good stain here, because check here, use yourself mad. Inyalo madaka, that person who dog mobo, in was ya kissing where the person who battenaga, Iman Lalola. I believe you no Okwuluora on a right state of mind there now. So, but I believe Nayaige Mebo issue a lot of back by Abuno he post here, you know. In good, Okwuluora good man we stand. Hashtag Okwuluora good man we stand. Do you understand? So yeah, make out those opponents. They will look for their money. Like I said, I don't have support on Obana. Here one they could 2 things. One, Account aha na-akwụ ụgwọ. Si gosi m ka o si bụrụ nke Okwuluora. 1. 2. Si gwa m ebe Okwuluora gwa gị kwụọ this woman ụgwọ. Gwa m ebe Okwuluora convince gị kwụọ this woman ụgwọ. You no melon just because you mepe group o ji bịa London unu ebolu ife niile bo nwoke n'isi. It's not fair. It's not fair. So all my brothers in African countries, all my brother in all over the world listening to me, I'm not saying this to chase crowds. I swear. Everybody, yeah, mom. Yambubi bubo nwoke. Yambubi bubo nwoke. And me ka auto onye ọbụla ụtọ out there. But I'm just saying one thing. Please, ụmụnne my brothers, before I aport on mad, let's just have information. Very dark man, you are doing well. Before you call anybody out, bro, put call, especially people you know that you can communicate with. If you hear from them and you are not convinced, call that person out. Don't just come out and judge like that. Straight up, don't do that. It hurts sometimes. Abona, if this guy hand is clear, you might do your investigation on one side and you notice that this guy hand is clear. Now what for you? Check him out now. Check him out now. Eh? Check him out now. So I don't know if Moyachaka is here to discuss one or two things, but bro, I'm just saying this thing and I'm saying this thing respectfully. Ichaka Nation.
Na nkwa muna na abungo na abani keka nkeji siwe frog na nya.
I can hear you very well. I can hear you very well.
You must hear in Jesus' name. I said say we drank a lot last night. How manage you don't wake up and you are making sense already? Me, I cannot even make sense. I'm feeling drunk.
No, it's a very how will I say it? It's a very hurtful something. Mgbe mpụta mfụ mmadụ mpụta na afọ mmadụ na-ezo m ike nke na say my man afọ na ọsị m ọ dị mma nna na ọ na-eji meet anyị don o nna nekwa transaction o I don't say I've sent money to you and the day gara aga since over 1 week nna ọlụ anyị don nna ọlụ anyị don nna ke nonsense be ya ntụtụrụ fo maka na mma na ihe pick call m anyị don nna gị mene no now I will like baba afọ na ka ihe na-eme enwe mfụkwa asịkwa ego gị ka ihe na-emezi maka ego ife ya na-agwazi m send go kwa ego ahụ nekwa receipt na nje bank nke izi nke bụ asị na ego nga ejego m nke ịtọ ka ịchọ ka mme na asị m ya nwe ndị na bank si na-echi but without this information nke abaghị attack. This is the problem m na-enwe na ndị a Facebook na-akwụ ụgwọ.
The only thing I've said it countless times, I decided not to weigh into this case. Do you know why I decided not to weigh into this case? Because I began to see that the people involved in this case are not, how will I put it so that I don't complicate issues. They are not really ready for the whole truth to come out. I got involved into the case so deep to the point that I noticed that they just wanted to make noise and they just wanted to, emotionally compel somebody not to the truth, but to what they want the person to say or how they want the person to behave. I've told them, if this is really a crime scene, if someone's money was really stolen, let the police come in. Do you know that these people say they don't want police inside it? Now, seeing that very dark man's video, I was saying yesterday, thank God, finally. So that man will now take the case to the police. Thank God. Because I wanted the police to get involved. And these same people that went to that man, they didn't even tell that man that they don't want the case to get to the police. So that is the controversies around this very issue. They don't want the police to get involved.
To be involved.
But they are going from one page to another, which means it's a personal vendetta. Maybe they want to rubbish because they felt like Okwuluora will go down with that saga, and they noticed that he couldn't go down. So they now wanted to take it to another level. Are you getting it? So now, if you wanted peace, or if you wanted the men perpetrators of the crime and the culprits to be apprehended, what you need to do is to take it to the law, right? But you say you taking it to the law won't be the best for the issue. It will complicate the issue. It will get so many people involved in the issue, and you know that some of them don't have paper. Then why are you going from one page to another? The person you gave your money to, the person that ate your money, is with you in that same UK, and you people are seeing the person every day. Now you are not calling somebody that you met, the person you gave your money through his page. What are you trying to make the person do so that the person will carry gun from Nigeria here and come to the UK and come and shoot the person? Or what they wanted to do is to emotionally blackmail Okwuluora so that Okwuluora will come to his page and raise money. Now that are donating money on Okwuluora's page in order to take care of the sick, the people that has kidney cancer and so many, you know, diseases and sicknesses. We pay through our nose to see that yes, these people undergo one or two surgeries or onto medical care, that kind of thing. Now you want us now upon the heavy burden that we don't they carry to see that one or two people are being taken care of without being paid. Oh, this is a charity work. You want Okwuluora to come and say, please, I want you people to raise money for our people that we are duped, that we are duped in the UK with this. Me, I will not pay a dime. I will not pay shishi. And if Okwuluora does that, I will block Okwuluora because I will know that he himself don't they digress. They come off from waiting we know him for. So all these people want Okwuluora to raise money. Now, the funny part of this thing is now I'm not gonna come here to condemn anybody. Are you getting it or get deeply involved? But I want to give you just an overview of what all this thing looks like. If you know the culprit, you know the person, you know the person's picture. It's not like he's a faceless person. Maybe he's all these online Yotago. So it's not like a faceless person. You know the person. You know the person's house address. You know the person here in Nigeria. You know the person's family here in Nigeria. You know the person's house address in the UK. You they see the person. You dey see person where chop you. Now before you carry money give that person, you didn't even call Okra to confirm. See, I want to give this person money. Oh. It's just like people calling me since yesterday that somebody they wanted to buy a car from somebody in Dubai. Can I vouch for that person? I said, because you saw my picture with that person. So that person puts the picture he snapped with me on his profile picture. And you are seeing the picture we had together on his profile. It's not a yardstick for you to go and carry your money and give him that you saw him and with Adidas together. Tomorrow now, if that person doesn't deliver now, you come to me and say, but he's your friend now.
You know how many picture person they snap a day? You know how many video person they do a day?
Snapping with a criminal.
That doesn't mean I know you. Only yesterday, same picture with over 100 people. Get a mess one more 100.
Are you getting it now? So, but people that have sense, have been calling me for some months now. Hey, so and so person, we saw the picture,
please,
the two of you
have. A1, I will call you. Please be back. Oh, it's very important from that your side. We need to talk. Or I'm missing line.
We had the picture. We saw the picture the two of you had together on his profile, and he said he knows you, and he now we can pay into his account, and he will ship cars from Dubai. I said, see, I know this person when I went to UAE. I didn't know him as a car vendor. I knew this guy as a private cab person that was taking me around wherever I was going. I didn't know him as a car vendor. And again, he didn't tell me he has ventured into car, business. I cannot vouch for him. I don't know him. I don't know his house. I don't know how to locate him. I met him once, and that's it. So if you want me to vouch for him, tell him to call me. There are informations that I will need him to provide. And if I go through those informations and I feel like, yes, I can establish his identity, I will help him as a brother. Are you getting it? To put in my 50 cents, or put in some words so that people can trade with him, right? But that's going to be when I am convinced. Are you getting it? So people getting in touch with me before they give him money shows that those people get sense. It's just like person seeing me now and you. We do videos together, we go shows together. Now person now want to use because two of us did together. One give me money without letting you know. The person has to get to you and say, see, I want to do this business with you. Don't know. I've been seeing the two of you. What do you think about it? Now you now tell the person, go ahead, or wait, let me confirm from him. You now call me. I said yes. So he said, okay, no problem. Or yeah, go ahead. He's my guy, and he knows. So tomorrow, if I cannot deliver, you will now call the guy. Guy, see you. I called you before this business started, though, and you say you're gonna deliver. You have to deliver. I've given my words, right? It is quite understandable. But yeah, you saw the two of us together. You saw us in an event yesterday, but you saw us at Grasses and chilling. You've seen us in Lagos. And because of that, you carry money, go give, and you don't without telling the dairy. Now, tomorrow, now, problem don't bust now. You come they call the dairy, put mat in this matter, put mat in this matter. The two of you have been snapping video and confusing everybody. Put mat in this matter. So this is what the two of you do together.
I swear.
So
serious. Like so serious.
Are you getting it now? Now, what you know concern you?
Like so serious.
God. Are you getting it now?
Yeah.
So no, these two things are done. Now, if he wants to get involved, that is by choice. That's his own decision. Are you getting it? It's quite understandable. If he decides to get involved as Okwuluora that he is, it's personal. I cannot get involved into his own decisions. But you compelling him to do your bidding and blackmailing him because the business, you met the person you did business with through his platform. Carry and go police if you have evidence, so that police will investigate into this, so that we go know who duped who, and we
do you understand?
Recover that money.
Do you understand?
The money there. Because the money dead there. Now we it just be like person will dupe you. You they see the person every day. You know the person where in they live. You can't leave that person house. Can't leave the person in. They say when they call police for the person, say no. Don't call police for the person. Now, if you know that maybe you couldn't get the police involved, what other means do you wish to recover your money? If you know that maybe the law cannot get you your money back, it's quite understandable. There are things many people do that they cannot involve the law, right? If you know that the law cannot get you your money, devise a means of getting your money your own way. If the law cannot get you your money, carry the matter on street, settle on street way. So anything will come up via street, you carry on with your head. Now your decision. Then if you cannot go that way, go and rest now. Not be me say make you go do.
Uncle SP, I have now. I have sent you an invite since. Okay, now see my own. In my air, when you are saying all these things, that just now for my view from what you are saying, because in my air, sometimes I'm seeing this thing. Only feel when I am is the audacity. Imana, I'm not about this thing all this while. I'm at them now. They are. So when I saw a video this morning from Very Dark Man, I have to call Zeus because I told me Bobo put on the phone. I have to call Zeus. Like, Zeus, what's up? KNM. So Zeus and I was na o take kwa ya mepekwa o no bok ye tata na. So I was like, oh, this is your Very Dark Man na phone. We are now only who na ekwu okwu ye. But no kwese ekpo na phone. Like I said, I and we no ime. Obugo na mejiro number ge. Ma akponwu gi na phone. Do you understand?
Of course.
I will know where to get you. Number the mother kiketa. Only ye nwete nwe ye nwete, which is true.
Of
Number
course.
get the pana street in a way. Or they're on a street or the pana street. I don't know if you understand.
Of course.
So now, Ikoro do as you know na Very Dark Man or direct. I don't know when say we no online. Open am second phone. Impose we no but online na. Also na Very Dark Man gba na no obi ogosi no nwe evidence. Do you understand? Now, and what do me should need evidence? My own is that why can't you call this guy? Money mesinsi. Ezubege look at this guy. Okwuluora, you are a guy. Nina memadalo. Nkanke noze and the jurese. Nah man. Nah man.
People think people think say
Obodo, send their request. Send their request. I'm here. I'm listening.
see, I have traveled a lot, and I am still traveling. My brother, Owebuka, Osadebe Guliadegu, Enuwebuka. Now, if you go Obodo Igbo, if you dress well, if they live large, people got to say you get sense. Are you getting me? Some people think say if you don't live Obodo Igbo now, you don't get sense. See, this life, I have seen so many things. I have seen people disguised in a way that later I come found out that these people are not the people you are supposed to even roll with at all, even come very close to. It's just like the event we went yesterday. You saw many people that dressed in costly attire, so many women wearing so many gold chain, but all of them are Ojobo people. They came there to have opportunity to enter the tent and meet with your other people and beg money by code. You saw so many guys dressed well with senator. All of them, they no get invitation. No. Nobody.
Hold
No
on.
call anybody.
Hold on. Sorry. King Arthur said evidence full everywhere. He was less concerned, and people were crying since last year. What did he do about it?
Don't go to that comment section, please.
Na
Everybody knows the whole story.
Anya onwe nchi ikwu. Emana muna Okwuluora dey close. And somebody like me, I don't flow with public opinion or sympathy. Okay, what I go truth be told, I will tell you this thing free of charge. These people contacted me December, I think December or thereabout, about this case. Even some they lose with their money. As for that this case, man. For that this case will be a very long case, no yet water. So later on, follow Okwuluora ebe on my video. Bana drag on my live video. I won't lie you, I'm not satisfied. One thing, one thing mbabuna when they really go for. Mana whether na Okwuluora there or not, I cannot authoritatively say Adama Fun, if Afun and Zuzo, now. But there were some victims, and Okwuluora recognized there were some victims. And another thing, the certain in that case, nobody paid to Okwuluora. You understand?
And nobody got 10 cents before paying.
And nobody consulted. But only if you have one, and you don't know, man, email travel, but I see no money bata on your house. Okay, man, with some questions to answer till I forgot only as where batana goes where one because it's your house.
Okay.
So by the fact that me and I commit to go this thing now the platform Okwuluora they give
okay
in our water now.
Okay.
And I tried to contact Okwuluora at that time. My name how busy on that. And the house Okwuluora who go like they were telling me that time. He had to book Okwuluora because Okwuluora Kuolufa. Even case Bobble case, case Nuku case is depending on Oyena handle here. If age what would you Bobrisky ta, we find a mebu since I can eme a luota, can eme a luechi. I guess they go Bobrisky on Nuku case and edge court and abata. Even these people have been talking this thing from December till now. Man, I want
even before December.
One video can very dark man, no me. Facebook ni le if no one case Bobble case, no yana handle here is what matters. I was expecting Okwuluora to be very, very brutal with those people committing that atrocities in his group. This is your group. I'm na water. I said I'm mad be abem or put a mad in a bem, womb madam or menka. I have to be brutal to daily. I spoke with some of these guys. Some of these guys say no reach today. We're talking about 15 million, 50 million madam. And they recognize them when that Okwuluora know them. This is not the time to ask why are you calling my name? And let me tell you the truth. Only you lose that all these things. But Okwuluora, in my why? Okwuluora built good name. Okwuluora has built name. For me, I swear with my life, I don't know about this case. Even have made illegal. Okay, man. Mande kurubo, mande apurapo. I will they will deport everybody to Nigeria if not free.
If I be in a land now, can they check a land there? And when on a comment section say, I done, you are doing eye service. But they saying the raw truth. See, I'm going to say now, Abiam na this case. I'm somebody in Ndi Igbo, right? My own agenda. In Kemabron can them in a help and them. Ndi fenesili came up and alonaya. We promote your Basalawa image, right? I was called into this issue and I got involved. If you watch all my live videos, I was very, very careful not to condemn anybody. But to make sure that I compel these people to follow the right channel and uncover the truth. Are you getting it now?
Yes.
Follow the right channel and cover the truth. In my live video, I said, let's go through the right channel. If Okwuluora is involved, let him be prosecuted and retrieve the money of Nigeria here. I got involved that I even called so many people to get involved. We started investigating on our own. Now, I came to understand where I got tired about. When I came to understand that the people this very agenda needs none of them be ready to get the police involved. And now they are using that as an emotional blackmail against Okwuluora. Watch me now.
About emotional blackmail. About emotional blackmail. Before God and man, I suggested this thing. Okay, what man if I have one move, if I have make it illegal in our water, no one can British government is where no makia. You understand? Mando kwuru ụgwọ akwụ, manda kwuru ụgwọ akwụ. Manage deport to Nigeria, if not prison. Okay, what I go? Mana amarom no. So when you say that this made that scam now, capitalize on that their fear.
Yes, we get that. You got the fact capitalize.
Where question this money? So he had na follow Okwuluora to speak for them, just like I said. Omono case, Bobble case, na case Bunduku case is depending on Onye. Now, Obronambu Okwuluora, truth be told, Obronambu Okwuluora, I believe that Okwuluora done this thing. But even some people will trample on your good name just to achieve their selfish interest. Okay, man, on them. Ona mana ani don ma na muna de na mma ofuti ama na akpọ mo biko kpọta ma anyị don biko mbesaba anyị don isi ọ na-eme entertainment industry normal nsabia isi na onye ajụ ebụrụ nwanne nwanne m n'ọnya zom na school biko nun just ka ijeje fia mana mkpọrụsị anyị don je njeje nara aka asoloyi na-ekote anyị don kwe watago. Now I'm seeing it that some people are trying to use Okwuluora's good name to tarnish people. Now Okwuluora should follow these people brutally because his name is at stake.
Now, brutally, kita iyi na-ekwu na bụ ihe ngwara Okwuluora. Ịma ihe Okwuluora gwa m. Na-egekwa ntị o. O wee bụrụ na ihe abụọ ọnya ka ndị akweli. Okwuluora ga all out kita ebido deportation asị na Okwuluora atụnatasị anụ ụmụ ndị Igbo be anyị na UK.
This is where I'm coming from. How come man I say that is the brutal in the kudu? How come man I say not that and the buy, but at the end of the day, the buy maro, Naka Madron, that scam marriage where to Natafa, Nakam daughter, they are trying to use my name. And the now very that man is where Nanya
this matter put on social media now. Una hage na eje no ndị deporturu. The matter will die down like that. Hage na aga no na chop issues every issues na draw. In order to make Okwuluora look bad, non nyamel.
But they say he has yaga and done. They say he has yaga. Somebody like very dark man is not calling Madam Flo or ABJ. He's not calling Okwuluora. If not for Okwuluora, I can drag. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to I don't mind equal 48 laws of power. Number 5 for Sege. So much depends on reputation. Guide it with your life. This is 48 laws of power now. Number 5. Also, warrant drag na the mud.
Okwuluora is alright, yeah. Aburi your job. But I need your quantity. He have a two-edged sword.
I will tell you this one free of charge. They have no Okwuluora ego, no Okwuluora ego. But since now coming to go here on a platform Okwuluora, they were expecting Okwuluora. He call these people out. He speak to them. Call her out. 50% or no percent
this
at all.
Prince
In our
Obuji, can you send the request? All the very important. My like Gina, I don't know you before Nkuoku. This Prince Obuji. Sorry, even when you know the video I saw this morning from Very Dark Man is very heartbroken. He didn't get the facts right. I live in UK. I am a member of the group. This is a very unfortunate situation because they have turned the facts upside down. I don't know if you understand. I don't know what you know.
We know
this kind of person, they're very important. This kind of person not at the group, or they're very important. I don't like Ekwasa. This kind of person, they're very important.
Look at, let me tell you, I'm still very, very, very careful with my words. Because I'm on that now. I'll make a reference to you on Uncle Online here because it's on video, right? That's why I'm being careful. It's not like I'm afraid. I'm trying to be on my right. Are you getting it? Now, this got to the point whereby Okwuluora made a lot of effort in order to see Naga handle this issue. Even to the point of going to the family of this woman, Olilego. He created a WhatsApp group. Man, these people we are bent on, and when you're on the WhatsApp group, where the voice record, they are playing on Facebook. And when you're on the WhatsApp group, do another thing. And when the voice record add there to the reason. Ụfọdụ na-achọ ego ha furu efu. Ụfọdụ na-eme their personal vendetta with Okwuluora.
Yes,
Ụfọdụ
yes.
na-eme
That one sure.
ihe opportunity ha ga-eji grow your page. Ụfọdụ na-ekwu that
Thank you.
ụfọdụ na-ekwu that na ha ma mgbe Okwuluora bidoro ife a na ọha enyezighị iru. So they want to put him in his place. Then ụfọdụ na onwe ha na-feel like na Okwuluora na onwe na ihe ọ na-eme by raising money. That he will not tell them that's not a benefit at this donation and so they have their own 10 cents and they are not getting it, so they are now put here as a way they make sure that nobody will pay 1 naira into his account. In fact, in exist. Are you getting it now? See, let me tell you the gospel truth. Somebody say Makana na from Okwuluora na video. Okwuluora, I was signed as an ambassador with First Choice Real Estate with Kanu Wankwo. So I came all the way from Lagos, very by way for her na site about the land. That video Okwuluora did video, and because now the company as an ambassador of real estate, they will give you your own plot, right? It's a so when say no problem, I would like to build on it. I say after that video, many people say now I am trying to defend Okwuluora because of Namoni Anabo friend or something like that. Away me well because those people are more on at least Uncle SP Moyambo and they go on Moyambo. So I cannot judge people for what they don't know about me. I'm on that now. Yes, one day they will know. And I came on live and I said, Obu Nina say Mado. Na onye abụ onye oli agwụgo m onye akụgbu no ọpụ iwe ka mmụọ ya ọkụ mgbe a na-agba ehe na onye oli the men onye oli dropụrụ ihe ozuru n'ebe ọ nọ gbafelu enweta data n'ebe ahụ nọ ekụba ife amụ igi ọkụ ife achọpụta na ọ bụrụ nyazu.
One of my friends don't want like that. The guy in maybe my friends gidi. One man bata na ya the rice obute doba nwunye jikipo. So how put the rice wapota nwunye bulu the rice bata na efe bulu the rice bupuo pobakwano. Imolu go ga e won be communication. During bakase time e won be communication. So the woman to down. Say na kedoze ebe ye ne ebe the rice de. Offer the rice. That means that moment to or I go on the back not the guy. Go the guy. And that teaches the crowds ka we sakaba. Go.
Okay.
So when you about all these things, you na I drop out from it or they can Nigerian movie.
So many people has gone down because of false information.
So many people.
That's why they say let this get to the police. If you don't trust Nigerian police, you are living in the UK, where you get fair judgment, right?
I mean, level this
let them
matter
investigate.
Level about the Nigerian police. This level should be British police. Because that woman, bo, abura mo mada awo. Ana ma like you hob na chi me ya mma.
If I can get one of them, no UK, none of the group.
Somebody, let me address people now. Somebody said Okwuluora is a scammer. Nobody on Okwuluora, if you are seeing this video, I am taking this as a permission from you. You have hidden this thing for long, to the point that I address your this thing. Many people will get confused. Let me tell you, Okwuluora that you know is a silent millionaire, and he doesn't make his money from your donation. Okwuluora, there is no day that passes that Okwuluora doesn't make up to 20 million. He's an influencer, just like a chief priest. He sells lands, and he is part of the company Ọmenala. He gets his percentage pay, plot, ele. I can tell you that now, Okwuluora, now, why I'm saying this thing now, Makana, so many people are not informed, and there is about somebody. Forget about donation. Okwuluora will make 20 million today from business no me tata. May give away 15 million that week. That I know. People tell Okwuluora a beggar. Okwuluora is building on social media. He is comfortable doing a lot of things to make money. Forget about your donation. Or just went to me because of his health records. Because now many people are man Okwuluora is severely under health issue, but only not very close to one man. I cannot go to his personal health records for you. So because of that, where you on a bigger, where maybe a yacht stick in order to help those people now pass through the same thing on a abroad that now maybe in Kankanka. And on your mellow, but many people we are pushing, these people we are pushing that no get mepe account with charity organization here. And he had a push here because half a hagage where say
people will always look for what to say, because they believe that you as a public figure, that all outside you could see one man in so on all those ones are that mega hunting man, and maybe women nabia so these people are trying to use Okwuluora's good name but that to some extent I believe Okwuluora what he can do. 300 million ego de ka odigi kuye nye Okwuluora as percentage no ya refund wuro mo bu no ya akwunwuro ka onye obuna zuo ike. That is question on Jofa. I know Okwuluora, I know his word. These people actually play on Okwuluora's name. Nobody is dragging them. I was heartbroken when battle online. Okwuluora another, Okwuluora. That's why I'm saying I'm Okwuluora. Is brutal now. I will report everybody to British government. Prison, prison. But don't jeopardize my good name. Don't drag it to the mud. They go CEO. No webe mataya bolo, it take a street way, and that is the fact. To apply intelligence in our water and elsewhere, and no webe ya bolo na brief in a street. Abolo for me, I will report this matter. Madam Flo manda kwero go munu wano UK batase in Nigeria because ngi wa mapu na ada akwu ugwo ego COS. Ki ite na alabande made go na Nigeria ke. Ngi wa ma na ada ele COS ele. Ke ye na anyway maybe not close to Ezumo. Ekutokwa mo gba mgbe ka na secondary school. Ndị achọrọ mbịa n'ụlọ. My father kwaro mama mande from the pop on a step kwa chie uzo. Obeli fe ka akugbuo mo, obro na kom settle mata. Mgbe eju settle ta kwa ugbo eji mbata, ko mmadụ na agwụ ụla, ko mmadụ anakpugo, o send ọdụ gị. Na Okwuluora ka na drag seketa. Okwuluora ka very dark man okpu n'ọnụ. Mana every case ọbụla ihe a na-achọ bụ the end point. Okwuluora kpọọ ndị natala ego, ọkpọ ndị kwụrụ ụgwọ. Madam, ego ne ka ndị akwụ n'iru onye ọbụla openly. How much are you refunding them? Kita. Me go to my WhatsApp. I'm always
now,
close
see,
down the WhatsApp group.
Onyobodo, let me shock you. Let me shock you. In my shock, this woman now refunded the money small.
Are you serious?
Let me shock you.
Are you serious?
Even a WhatsApp group, I reduce you numbers.
Hold on.
Vital information can't give. Even I na ogwe na group. Name 1, 2, 3 people na be NEC.
I know.
Ona na jinja Biafra. Obu na wagide anwa settle one na ndekano. 70-80% of agitation ye reduce. So now I was expecting streetwise each one to be far and easy. But go do far. I'm going 50-50%. Everything with subsets. What I go yesterday. I even get in contact with them. Each one want to go far for one of them. Or what be going with it? My blackmailing and a lesson therefore. Men that we follow to fata and higher for end of this thing. If I know that COS is 7,000 UK and I don't know Nigeria £9,000. I be £9,500. So how I know how call to £2,500? As agent. Okay, what I go now? Some of them make and I'm no bull scammer or not bull scammer. Okay, what I go. But some of them speak you with. Any Ganti, they are not relenting. They are, as what of fact, this matter, maybe 3 days, and they are still moving to any length. Now, why not keep on this here for one waffle? I'll be going to go do their half. If you hear me now, you go to.
This year, one in a agent to have.
Yes, now I didn't know they go away. I have down on a UK Kitaya say every deport. As to under your deport. So other than saying Nana Kogo why you're passing. Upon Kogo why you're to this level. Nana Kogo. Because I got in contact with them. Or what they got now. You them and I don't care. Go do your worst. It was that kind of thing now. So I think what Okwuluora will do is
okay.
On the Korogo. For the fact none of my WhatsApp group media had go involved. And you don't even crew. On a beach, or na akulu gijinta, they are saying no you be na akulu get drum ego. On a really hard one as no more bastard. Here ablugo your boys, under your care. You must find a way. This is what
Okwuluora on a phone.
Many times in no peak. We are trying to be there. I Ayekube. We have also the members who are put when they contact him. Also the members who are put. I contacted him.
In my head, you contact Iago. Here the contact Iago Makanama that nam. I had Antigata Saga.
I reason them too. They are trying to use me. And this is the one thing EMM. I speak.
Where Okwuluora Saga. Now, they are not contacting you. They uncover the truth.
But I know that Abum police. Can be bully and easy. Which on one the bonnie for money after na Facebook call or buri fa bia call them macaroni afọ. Okay, call them on enorms on the help basarum. I'm na water. I want to go many people how do you could ihe njo ya bụ if maybe men advert for onya. You may go nkwe Obu ni nyere onye ego moto obi gi. E ya akpọ m same hey lekwa ebirikwa moto nkwụrụ ụgwọ ya. Mana ọ gaazị ọfụma.
Okay, onye obodo afun video ebe Okwuluora ịma mma akpọ nwa Okwuluora na phone onye number dị that woman mo na-ekwu oketa.
Nanya, see, if you want to open a team investigation, I will advise you. If you want to investigate on this matter, don't do it in publicity.
Mba, anyị done. At this point, he eme an ilu akwụkwọ. Ima why? Okwuluora's reputation is at stake now.
Do you know why?
Underground, na-agba mbọ. But as well as na ha da afia.
Enweghị abụ ị na-eme n'ilu akwụkwọ. Ọ dịka damage control. Na-egekwa ntị yo. I'm agwa ndị mmadụ, anybody that wants to get involved into this issue, get involved into this issue with the truth to rectify and to solve the issue, not to exonerate or not to make yourself look better. Now, the main issue not that now
fact.
And another thing about, if you are entering this matter positively, you need to consider all the sides, not enter it selfishly on a personal note. Now, selfishly will make you look out for yourself alone before others, of which is not the good. Makana, Mana, that is the sacrifice that comes when people put a lot of trust in you, or when people, if your own personal happiness, people will be matching on it. It's just like anyone, Gabo IJ event, we will be sick. We will go down with a lot of sickness. Now, I dada. Mother, be by phone near on. I see a picture. Anya go nya na dada. I na watching the camera.
It's true.
The picture, mama.
It's true.
It's a sacrifice. Now, why trying to solve the issue? Why trying to exonerate your name? Make sure that you find a balance. Come on, Nyabrona, finally. Ni wetaro protection on you 100%. Mana, as a person, people ne legalanya, it becomes dicey when you cannot venture into this part now. Onyobodo is suggested of actually not everybody, everybody. In order to free his name. Now it becomes a difficult one at this very point.
Yeah, point Anonia. Emma why? With that case, you raise Zimba. People like Choco Milo them make video. They follow Okwuluora on a live video. I was hoping to Okwuluora for Mande Maskamas Naskami. Ndi akwa irogo na ndi kworo ụgwọ. Ebe gbata ha na live video. Madam Flo, ego ne kasos or obugo na live video, obugo na WhatsApp group. Somewhere cool because he had a job with the solution. And what is the solution to make sure na refund on there?
Okay.
Akwere m ụgwọ. Agwala m wee kwụnye ụgwọ. The problem bụ na onwe ndị eli ego fa. The solution na ndị achọrọ ego fa back. So we work towards the solution. Whether no more ka akwere or no more ka akwere. Ngwa nne ekworo ụgwọ ka onye ekworo ụgwọ batanu madam bịa ego dị ka ndị akwere gị. When are you refunding them their money? If you fail to meet this update, get the next penalty I am. Even if after being ilu akwụkwọ. What I am now. If they receive belego from this matter can a trend. And onye akwere ụgwọ ka na-aga freely. Okay, my life, one of the 48 laws of power, quote to this book. Wage, not be everybody you can offend. In daily, when you are offended in this life, higher took it for 100 years, they will sacrifice their blood, even. Or what to hang to them but make sure that I get it again, they will put their life just to get you. Only people they like that. After now revolves around Okwuluora now. I have to see those people. Nalega Now, Okwuluora, this is time for you to be brutal about this issue. I don't care whose horses is gone. As far as Nakam Jota, on a drag them near Marania. Can you go? Can you go? Madam, I'm giving you so time to refund all the money and around there. If not, look at the drastic action I will take.
Now, actually, I want us to be realistic. Let's not only be emotional. Let's be realistic. I want to another thing by action. So we are not forced people. Able civilians and law abiding, we are expected to be. So in this very case, do you not agree with me 100% that now police need to get involved into this issue?
Mana oyabo Nigerian police. Why? Obviously, British police, because here abu UK on a UK can committee this crime. Nigerians living in UK. I'm what now?
Okay.
And the UK government they involved that everybody is coming back. Then on Nigeria government might pick it up from there.
Okay. Okay. Now,
UK, except the UK embassy. So in any which way, the UK government, the British government have to be involved. And this is the first blame in people with them this case. Every man if are the illegal, why going through it? Every man are they go COSA go, why paying somebody money? Need the fault to go.
blame.
No
blame now.
That first time.
Yeah.
And the best solution I am now, and you done if you agree with me, for everybody to be safe now, is to Okwuluora to get in contact of those people.
Okay.
In our water. Bruno ayo, Bruno mba, Bruno threat, Bruno. In fact, Bruno need you. See make sure na kuchi ande ugo ha. Bruno go do 50-80%. Emeya number one. Ndi no na ndi aheli go fa drop all this citizenship. No look ever had never their business. Okwuluora, a clarify you go afia. If you don't know about Agabalo,
all the quite understandable. Even though I've been there. Now, him not children now. How can it be done?
Okwuluora got to call that Madam Flo. And I water.
Of which not Bogia. Of which not Bogia. Hello?
And say, what is happening? Madam Flo.
That Madam Flo. Okay.
Madam Flo bụ onye nyere ego, onye kwesịrị ime happy COS. Bịa na-akọ na-egwuli wayo. Nye gekwentị.
And they don't query now.
Onye African country ọkpọrọ afa. And onye African country ahụ agbagho soccer nọ na UK. Are you getting it now? Okay, no, that UK. Now, Igwacha Madam Flo. Os nyawa ade ekudu na niemu honya na lego. Nyawa neku niemu honya na lego.
She agreed, yes.
What no need deny. Are you understanding this issue now? How dicey this issue is? She's not on the run, number one.
Yes.
Not denying, number two. Number three, that she is willing to be paying small. Now, the amount she is paying, in the volume she is paying, when can she clear this money? It becomes the problem now. Of which, Obuna Madu Buliewayo Nezioku, debe the money. That's where I was suggesting getting the police involved, so that I deal without the money. Money not gone because they see you now it's the 1 billion. In our one and 20,000 every month. Onye obodo. Kemgbe a ga-akwụgide 20,000 wee kwụọ 1 billion.
Anyị dọ na onwe ihe mmụta n'Ọnịcha mgbe ahụ. And only one comedian who go see no ka yale pa for the comedians. Only comedian ji ogo, every big comedian, ji obere comedian ogo. So that comedian bịakwa ka o mekwa medori metu ego na nga bịa na complain. So when you are one OT, ese ayi wato na Ọnịcha, ijire m ụgwọ. Na ma afụrụ gị bụ na ego afọ apụtara. Because street in ya agba go do me isisi akwa gbara ọtọ street in na osiro gị na-akpa pụta ọ ga-esi na akpa ndị na-ebe afọ wee pụta. Now if you know gidi ka eji agba ụgwọ ịghọta now onye a na-akwụ nwa obere now ndị ahụ eji ụgwọ fa esifa mechie ọnụ fee ekwu n'okwu. By now this case would have died off since I don't know about ya akwụrụ. Now they try as much as they can to contact very dark man. Okay. We can buy it on one nature about Twitter. If anybody in this case, a national issue. If anybody in this case, a headline by newspaper, Vanguard, Sun newspaper. Even a social media when very powerful, not the very powerful, and no aspect here can be a diagram now. Very dark man. Everybody know very dark man. For them to get close to very dark man about this case, it reads so many meanings. And no na Okwuluora. Oh my pain.
I don't. Oyobodo.
Gentina ki otam na.
Ima na abum sampa.
Yotago. Album sampa for years, so I understand ije n'obodo mmadụ bili hustle na ife ọya apụta. Wee na ọ na-aka nsi bido ndụ m hapụsịkwa na ọ dịzi otu a kịta ọ dịzi aka enwe ka o si dị ihe mbụ natural sampa, even my blood ihe na-eflo na ya bụ sampa means onye ji obodo onye ọzọ bili na-agba mbọ ime ka ndị abataba abụrụ ife ọ bụrụ ife ego ya solve. That was a good suggestion. In make and abataba. Because for one on one factory bata.
It's true.
They rather use the money than it's batobo that
without someone achieve by their goals. I don't know if you understand what I mean. That's number one. Number two. Opuluna Okwuluora Bembo about this money. Man put up boldly in a Facebook photo and I what the woman na call. Do I know you before? Have I met you? Why are you people calling my name? Oh my God, no.
Ndeli. If for that one, Okwuluora die. Truth be told.
Okay.
Yeah, in MY, yeah, about time you about the woman. Do I know you? The right question. Oh yeah, do ever for Madam, when are you paying these people? Whether Nanya Okwuluora me pay that group. And
I don't know
do I know you? What else not go add the woman? Go and pay the group. You added everybody. Let's not be sentimental here. Okwuluora me pay that group. Okwuluora added everybody. Now that group.
Okay.
So that woman, now some others, beef a business, how I be here now call the contribution, bar flights, Lord Okwuluora, mentanimo, marry that woman to a brother scheme, people are trust to see you know. Okwuluora can on that group. See no on a group Okwuluora ka ino. What I before you have not the right question to ask. The right question to ask is, Madam, why did you collect this money? What happened? Thank you. When are you? Wait. For crying out loud.
Do you think now?
Wait. Do you think no they are Jojo Apotaro?
I start to be corrected, but don't worry about put a mad one. If you don't put on a day, no. Then you get that case, if you don't put on a day, now this I kill him that video. You know what I kill him. So see you put on
why
a
the Europe to be added? Why didn't you request
eh?
to?
I will
Why
call
don't
you.
you request for him to add you up?
Mba, ndị ọ na-add bụ ndị ya na-ekwu the victims and
Like
the
me now, this is my first time. I swear to God, this morning is my first time hearing about this case. In my man or so, and I'm
Lagos, and then my Ijem de one side and one side.
Okay.
I'm straight.
Okay. In Anya, I don't know. You go see in Agafe go so many stages.
About
yes,
this case,
anya go
So many stages. So you know, I do
know stage ya no kita bụ
reality
ife ya mere ya
check.
mee ọ ka nje ekwuru ihe mụ a
Reality
ekwuru
check now. Brother, it could be on a reality check.
hey,
How do we
I know how it
recover?
feels. I'm capable. I know about how
Now,
it feels.
hey ka nje wefe ife anya afọ obi gbawa m mpa ebochi ego ọnụ na public ebo ga-ebubo na public onwekwa ife ị na-akọ ndị mmadụ na-ege ntị
So
I know how it
ife ị
feels.
na-akọ and ịmụrụ nweke ebubo si adị enwe ebubo anyị aba ebu ogi drag before you will vindicate yourself many damages emego before amara na Jesus na aka ya dị ọcha egbugokwu ya obinite n'ọnwụ
now, ebe ya agota na social media ebe a na-settle the issue. N'anya na comment section na enwe one woman na-akpọ Caroline Obioma. In her own humble opinion, her 10 cents in Kuruketa na abogene. Onye obodo, you are truthful. You're a truthful man, sorry. Okwuluora knows something in that matter. Now, Neka gets the phrase here tomorrow. Now, onye obodo even said that Okwuluora's hand is in that matter.
Yes.
That one, sure. That was social media for you.
Yes.
And somebody will say yes.
I'm alive with daily now. I don't know. And I will.
Follow they tell you reply the comments. Concord. Almost be how they na come. What are you?
So, if you want to solve issues, to amend, not to destroy or damage, or to be realistic in achieving something positive, I don't think solving it online matters a lot. Like I have said now, this very issue, the dicey, or the very, very dicey. When are you going to pay these people their money? Onye obodo wee sị gị, ọrụ ma ndị onyeremego fanya emego. Ọ na fanya emego one dị ona, fanya emego one dị ona. Ọ bụ na mo receive ya, receive m ya. Mana ihe menụ na ihe agaro ka nsi wee chee. Right now, ọ na-eme m ọbara mgbanye na mmụọ mgbu onwe m, mana as it stands now, mma na refund nwayọ. Ajụọ gị ka ihe si na refund. Iwe na-asị na every month na ị ga na-akwụ.
I failed to mention on daily. All the Kwakongwe Council were known one of the persons say for over here later committed suicide. I'm not eziokwu ka say, but Onwe Council were and one of the persons
verify. Can you verify? If you
I
cannot verify,
I'm sure. Oh, just hearsay. Can you know?
Why get that thing? Blowing on that same case. Oh my blessing. Man, you need a honey put that case.
The main point again, any good money, any day recover the money.
And you don't. Am I the best way to settle this case?
Am I the best getting ahead? That is one question I'm asking.
Am I the best way to settle this case now? Say fine there, Ndebo Isiagu Buddhist Matanisi, ego hadenia. Abro, didn't go Fabro Hunter Nebu de Matanisi. And we 1, 2, 3 people. 4. Amaron there bring this year up offer. Madam ego neke to it in year 100,000, Ngwajide 50. Ogego neke to it 70, Ngwajidenka, Ngwana, Nizena time, Kai when why now. Ogande anakwa ha na-azụ. Ada. Then you see why ahụ ze. It might take some years. It might manamata apugo. Alobaze underground. Manobo ni settle those key people. Haka no ni lo akwụkwọ mata ha ya ada ilo. E wata mi kuta nderi.
Tomorrow onye ya settle ito. Onye ọbụla need legi.
Na anya imebe ka isetụrụ onye ọbụla nke a bụsịkwa okwu awọ ka m na-ekwu amakwa m streetwise ka m na-ekwuzi ime ka isetụrụ bụ onye ọbụla at the same time o ya ebu aka
and mana ọ na police adịghị involved okwu yo onye obodo ọ bụ na police adịghị involved makwazie that na onye na-agwa ga art mgbe ọ chọrọ art
mba ime police involved police emekwa UK government involved last ọtakwa n'ife ahụ ị na-agbala ọsọ
na otu police na-adịghị involved now
ịmana ka gwa gị ife ya eme
but onye ji egwu ya very dark man without very dark man ịmana ụmụazị nke ọ da-ajụ ase because onye nwa ife ya asị na onye abụ respected person na da-agba ọsọ na East
Ndeli
contact Okwuluora na
Ndeli very dark man abụrụ onye ya bụ ịtata ụla baa n'ịntanetị fụ nọmbịa ọkwa ịghọtago ọ mmadụ ga-adị waka mee dị waka nweta nọmbịa njikwa onwe ndị bụ ife case bụ nnukwu case ma ọ bụ obele case depending on onye ji that case akpọ ndị isi ekwe ọnwa ahụ ndị isi ekwe ọnwa a
ebe ka
setụrụ ọfa
ebe ka a ga-esi nye ha the money ajụjụ na-ajụ na-abụ
ego a ga-esi nyefa
na-ajụ ebe a kịta ebe ka a ga-esi weta the money a ga-esetụlụ ha onye ga-eweta the money and how with the money that is the question.
Okay, ọ bụrụ na naanị ịma na this case is not ending anytime soon. Ọ bụrụ na whenever you see weta the ego to settle this case or to peddle it at least. Ịma na this case is not ending anytime soon. Ịma na no need of looking for solution. No, I'm not even saying Okwuluora with ego. What about Okwuluora? But Okwuluora put the middleman. He hold you. Ndị dị ego afọ. Mana ọ da ebe ego adịrị ya eji wee kwụ ụgwọ ka ihe a na-achọziri solution. Iweta solution ebe ka ego ya esi wee pụta.
Now, question na-achọ eju na bụ
listen. I just before you go because can go something.
Okwu na-abịa ọ ya apụ.
Okay, all right.
Na-abịa okwu ya apụ. Now, ọ bụrụ na onye riri the money yeah, because we need to be productive in this our discussion.
Yes.
Back and forth. Do we hear now are we now suggesting to Okwuluora to bring out money apart from the money the woman who are we now suggesting that Okwuluora should bring out his own money and settle these people you could settle on this is a peer, since they might not really wait for this woman to be paying the little she says she's going to be paying. So how do we raise that money, knowing fully well that that money is somewhere, stashed somewhere, and that cannot be touched because we don't have the power to go and touch it?
And good,
Okay, hold on. Now,
from Afonwa, whoever, Okwuluora once asked this question when he was in call with the woman. I could remember when he asked the woman to tell the world when she is paying those people their money. Go and listen to the live video. That's why I asked you. Masino Okwuluora, ya no tour.
I don't know if you understand.
Ndeli.
Now, hold on. Before nobody, sir. Nkijo,
I will never pay a good nanny law. Come and ban on 6 feet. I the modest stop on her.
Yeah, I put that name to not your life because
my house.
And this case I go very delicate. Number one, for kake isi da. Ase na konko ogo n'iri ego na ego gị ka iwepụta. Ịghọta ya now. Isi oke n'ili lo ego nwere ihe gbasara gị ka ị nọ gị ka na drag. Now, this very question now, bụ a question I throw open to Okwuluora. Owe ya. And I drag after again. And sincerely, I believe that Okwuluora has nothing to do with it.
Okay.
And with his name. Now, Annie done. Oburu na be so much convinced. No way ba stars lega na-ekwu. No just na-eme ka agba saga ka oda. That is when Okwuluora got to be brutal. Number one, sincerely, I will not advise Madi Kuguyo no law. I will not advise that one.
Other possible now.
Never to bring that suggestion. Okwuluora really brutal. If I buy a deport, go buy a banana deport, okay? If I not regret, no problem. You release your guy who until what you not regret. Why you to go back on a conny way? It was COS. All of you should just get out. No, when but Nigeria, Jebesi. But I don't know get where him. Fine and good. Drag me to court. For me, being brutal is the only option. No, I don't see any way out because these people here now they are playing on two things. And my two things how they play. So just can up. They are playing on now for Okwuluora can drag. No Okwuluora aye kwe ka afia nwoko. So ka iche to come Okwuluora ye me. Yana ndị akwụrụ anya ụgwọ they will not go to the police because they are indicted themselves too. If you the two Hana, maybe they get happen.
I'm a deep thinker. You when I so many people that understand me will say that I have something to hide, right? But I will always make you to answer some questions. So that's all you have none. If you're a criminal, if you're a criminal, and the name not go no boda, Maraka obodo si alu. Yeah. So now, in any time you have formed a group Okwuluora. Okwuluora, but somebody have to protect his name. That the only legacy on will be his name. Yeah. So in any time, we found the option no niabo. If with an update, we scam one day model. Ne scam which and them man nanda hire the police for you. Nege went you.
Yes.
Hire you. Then obo nanda chobe go ha. Ke megwa. Onya with the page that we have to fight for his name and a scapegoat. And obo na akwani ok. Nege went you. No na akwani ok. I will provide and na akwanye ọkụ a na akwanye dị ọkụ onye ahụ ga-ekwuru maka name ya gbagharịba ka ọma ka ọ yesi sort out the thing protect his name then ọ bụ na sort nzie anyị ekezie ga ha ịgbata ịrụta n'ọlụ so die ka nọ na-eche ma enwe ụzọ ọzọ anyị settle all this matter settle chazie I kesa the money according to guys ya gekwa so this case now, where bolo, na man that nega the ammonia Iwaji not the money. That made money. Mana we are leaving that money alone, looking for somebody that will bring the money, another money to settle the issue. So what will now happen to that money?
I understand your question. Ima why ndị ajụwe dị ka ha hapụ ndị ji ego na-achụ Okwuluora the same reason ndị ahụ ji ego ji wee jide ego hapụ ka Okwuluora kwere ụgwọ ji wee hapụ ndị ji ego na-adara aga Okwuluora knowing fully well that like you said not that good name bụ the only legacy onwe na mgbe ya eji dara aga they will compare Okwuluora ịbịakwute ndị ahụ ji ego. Just like I said, I commit to go this atrocity under Okwuluora's roof. So Okwuluora did go indented. And I said it before, not Okwuluora ka na drag, Manobuno Okwuluora ka akwa erogo. If for these people, both Mandi Dile and the reputation. That is why you are saying Okwuluora should be brutal. Manda Korogo, Manda Korogo. Everybody should find themselves in Nigeria. Now, Osinetiti, Mirisi Onwiona, Hanabo, under Nigeria. No Munu, no Bazieno, Setro Bazieno. Onabana Malugo, no Mono, a Quail Mogo, a gap where the Gomori Finemo.
Oyobodo in Anion Nepuna. I don't in Anion Nepu. This case, Ndi Achoroka Aga through government. Am I right or wrong?
Ega fire, Putanon, a best guy, you see, Puta.
I
cannot pray.
Am I right or wrong?
It's true.
Is it that some people they are very dark man about this?
They are playing
on Okwuluora's reputation now. How to get police? How to get British government? Why are two of them playing with Okwuluora's reputation?
I thought they got British government today. Well, table this small boy now wear respect.
That was Okwuluora.
I am trying to be plain here. 2,000 to 2,500 pounds and the gentity ne the money we not send them money in a group. How could you go the 2,500 pounds? Egon kepegon pay. How could you? See, let me tell you.
One of head. I swear with my life. You will still agree to Ifenku that the best thing is to report this case to British government. Manda Korogo should come back to Nigeria.
Nah, if you don't pass some padres, you man.
Let me tell you that.
Okay, if you some padres, no Kumolisia fam, Walusiada, Kamora Bulusia, Onana Drago Corona. Rice, or the man.
Abu Deli. Abu guy man. Eto na street. Full tricks and play. About me, a boy. But I'm a guy, man. I'm a banner guy. If you yoku, Emil Hapan is yoku, Yana, Mamma, epido romance base yoku. Maona, way to Matalago, sequence romance, yeah. Mamma, what the other. So, make it 20. I'm a go on 80 well, is yoku aka, epidogum suspect or something. Nyakanji adeku. If you can take this matter, is this Yeneku? I would not take this matter to the police. There is somebody mafia here. Because Nandi buy you know Obodo Igbo, ụfọdụ na-ego moto. Ha na-ego moto n'ụzọ dị anya so that farmer na-akwụta asị obodo. And ndị buy nọkwa n'obodo amaracha na ihe niile adị. And maka na igoro di moto n'ụzọ dị anya. And when the motor see where issue, he might report the motor to the police. Make a report or provide, and they provide the head because he's used of we're going. So he ended by him as the nabo Habiazie Hana Tosi Nda name that business Nimo and is using that holy Nimo. But that night, again, I had just got that like about 300 or 200, his 50 or 30. Makahama that night. A man report to the police, Macanisi back door where going. Neg went to you. Now, give one no wiggy or the go like this, he were chopped the case. If we name a Jamuna police, and maybe my name a Jamuna police, the only thing that they reggae bogene, no natural hero game akazo. Kwesi kwado 50-50, no gaga mo no maga, and obu no ga ho. No ni fear free at all if you know so is you. So, in this regard, onye nke ezulu oli maka na no jere ụzọ and ihe o ji jee ụzọ bụ na Nigeria adịghị mma abụgo n'obodo Igbo first maka na Nigeria adịghị mma ha ruo ebe a achọ ife ọzọ aga na-eme ka ego na-abata akpa so ịma go that n'ike ọ ga-aka azụ you need to be careful mgbe ị na-adịghịzi careful iche gaghị mmadụ agaghị ya gị that is update, Abi. It's a guy government. Only again also a guy government guy so he get messy we calm down. Take care the hit on yourself.
Just
but he get what opportunity.
Omega go to my best of my knowledge. I think Omega 6 months.
So now in this case of UK now, these people, this case for me, these people already know that you cannot go to the police before you did this.
They know.
That is why they know these people that collected the money,
and
they are
not going to them.
Money. And we are going to person they will emotionally blackmail to pay the money. That money is who can you get me the money?
Nanya, akwefo onye analega na si na scam ya asi ego akadi.
Okay, the woman na na scam ya.
Scam fire.
The woman na one African guy scam.
Ya na akọ, ya bia na akọ ogananya nanya. Ezugo mo shizu of Wall Street. I go when the go ya bizuo and it done just like you said. I see ke coach maybe gidi anu bog gudi or that you if you leg but they are playing on Okwuluora's reputation. They know that these people that were scammed, just like you said, and you done, cannot confront us or report what are now. And they know not to drag no Okwuluora because no group here. So Okwuluora will do everything to clear his name. So they are banking on two things. They say that Okwuluora will put the ego, kiri afia. He bruising has to know Shilie.
Anyone was in there. Anyone that was in the biggest maga. Anyone that biggest maga. But anyone that was over the higher.
Thank you. Nandi Kuru, make gidi happier or slide ya. If you had a bank on. I don't know what they got for Akadi. That Madam Flo Cocker. That is when you say and the Ndi Igbo cannot confront them because if you confront them, back to Nigeria, they are not confronting. Okwuluora reside in the UK. Okwuluora reside in the UK. Nobody will be calling Okwuluora's name.
Of course.
Because calling Okwuluora's name is more like confronting Ona Ajigego. No, na UK. So, baby, I'm coming. So, okay, I will buy another one. So, that can you say that this thing man had before of Zinisi Okwuluora in both sides. This is when Okwuluora have to be very brutal. Take this thing to British government.
Affect this on there. Affect this on there. I swear. I swear.
I'm going to involved. I'll give my why. This is the best way.
I extended the arrest. I extended there. I get extended the arrest. I got someone Mandi with Mandi Mebu before Mandi Mebu with
Ndeli, when everybody wants to play on my name, in fact, I wanted to go to Mongo to Nendum, or I will put my life. But you don't joke with my name. I go with Febe. I got to go to that situation. I go with Febe. At that moment to make sense.
I was able to talk. I told him, look at this whole scenario. The truth cannot come out if you are not ready to live with the repercussion. And there is no way the truth can come out if the police doesn't get involved. Many people now that this case.
Thank you. And also the
another back door na case. And my father that back door.
By next 2 weeks. I believe I know Kitaka no kuzi. Ebe matter ya no by next 2 weeks. I believe if I can no kuzi. This matter ebelembo let this matter yale a headline in I'll go by a headline and newspaper. Nigeria government will get involved, whether you write to them or you write to them. And once they get involved British government. In fact, this matter got off hand.
Oh, even at this moment, since this matter no arrest, Beremo Chineke me bele. Go by headline so that now the government will get involved because
let me tell you the truth. If
when they're not as and when they're not as on them mother when I was scammer and when they're not as on them man scammer. I told Muganda.
If one day if one day not in the madiga, I call them greedy criminals. On the Oshika Habu man had it very, very greedy. I go with case is Zushi. In my case is Zushi. Is Madu 100 naira.
Maybe Kawa case is here, but this one here is why it's very stupid.
Mbagante now. Onya Habubike. Onya Ganontin. Oh, Kahanareba, which can be beefer. Is Rumad 1,000, for example. It's in 1,000. See, I'm what you 500. What you 200. You know, swam gap, not this swam naka. Oh, we got of 1,800 kepo. Give us the 200 more 300. They can we again. Madam, we use she put you the whole thing. I go ya badogi. Oh ya badogi. Here they would work from both sides. If you didn't have reform from Isi Okwuluora and it done the kiss equal, and now they follow public opinion more. I mean, I what now? Okwuluora be my good friend. If you me one certain time, I say me, where is a guy? Ne. Sep sinifa. Oh, we come on you there away, man. I'm more there away. I say I have no time to say Akweromogo. I wasn't aware. They were in the WhatsApp group.
Ezi Sonnes Harrison. Anumpama the last night is always trying to protect him because it's his favorite.
No, yeah, but a matter of I don't happen on the social media.
Where you were, Nama Okwuluora.
Social media, matter arise, yeah. Or we can give one, will do critical thinking, nanya. Maruna, every problem with solution. You might be profiling solution. A better a portion to blame. But people will like you to take what I digest now. And no matter side up when you take you will not be right and you will not be wrong. It's okay. The very dark man is good. If one day I defend the Okwuluora, say ni mari he nako. If I say Okwuluora is right, if one day I just say solution to this problem now.
I thought it's your
solution to this problem can show. Okwuluora's reputation is at stake and people's money is at stake. For me, Okwuluora should do everything to clear his name. All warrant he send on Nigeria report on everybody should come back to Nigeria. On other poala. Come back to Nigeria, be neba. Unchi boy fuma. Welo moon. Ke ha na akodi ya. Anakata ana epenti okwa ana emi ona ka we to no now. Okwuluora don't build name baba. One day mad on my name. This scam last scam happened this scam had drag ba mwa. I will report you too. If you may be illegal, you too to come back to Nigeria. Or be about settle base no munu. Open way with the Mogonia to say Joku. Open that is that drastic measure Okwuluora you take. Mama.
and a criminal.
This matter they go now.
See, a detective will go see a case. A detective will go see na multi is of a hard case. So now let me come to another side. What if now this thing now, bro? What if now? Okay, let me not say what if.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
65 plus 15,000.
Adeze.
I don't. I don't. So lastly now, you only obodoku involve government.
That's why
Because open
Because
here
in my
talk I
wife.
involve open I talk I involve government. How man go ever that man?
And very that man, I used to drag go. And I drag go Okwuluora again, man.
Let me tell you what they want to do. They want to pressure us. Also, onye obodo, Iyachi pressure mwa, gewa.
Kai we put
All the
millions
of people now donate ego na page Okwuluora. Kai donate yalo for ego.
and which is not happening.
Yeah.
Thunder.
Then Fawelo
about to go Okwuluora.
Fawelo the main money debe.
Okay, yeah, street. I'm not that kind of belief now. Now ya look. Okay, ya look if I work.
Police get tinyaka. If for that main money, oh yeah,
puta. Only to the prison, Ghana prison. It's as simple as that.
Are they possible? Unu will go na start ya. Una just emotional blackmail. I be at all ego.
Yeah, you have a bank on both my. Yeah, be a bank on.
Onye si after election. After election na Nigeria you walk kanka. Onye president or Peter Obi. Unu need the ego no back for police.
Nah,
that's the thing.
Imi kuketa. Yeah, the reason he had a very dark man.
Because open report here to police since they for not set maybe the balima bagim and the batana batago. Almost we are basar very dark man. Man, a very dark man kitabu Okwuluora like on a drag.
Now, Okwuluora was easy aketa report there to police.
Q, what are going to now?
Which had them show no them mother Okwuluora ye mego here, but I'm live Mankube yen na the Russian. But the only thing they would them two things. One of them, you maybe video when no that's that boy, Kafia, very dark man. Him on where respect. Oh yeah, the Kunya wa on you
Thank you.
now. In Biafo, ebe mmadụ kwụ Okwuluora na akụ na-ese picture ụmụ picture a na-ese kasị maka esi na-eme video.
Daily,
Ọnọdụ ka
God got to
mkpọpụta
tell
na
you. God that to tell you, in a video, very dark man. On our drop picture, receipt. Osolo nenu we what your mother said.
thank you.
All mother contact yeah. Furnish here with all those informations. Now, on that furnish very dark man with that information, why not carry that in, go to police or UK embassy? Because number one, UK embassy they involved, they will refund the money.
Ian Zeus, as in Zeus, why in a very dark man? And when he came, if you know Okwuluora, they respected Igbo Land. You go to call. It is a call. Opolo na a drug of this call him out. You cannot just come and call that boy. You can't just come and call somebody out just like that.
I read my lips. Onye na-eme video call to outside that post onye. And one aromo street na this app. If we ga nwa, in fact, I'm going to ezoku mande na drag here na all munu wa onye enyele ego. Mande to ego nyego ya but ihe ni na bu plan unu ncha niile. Ka we get ọrụ na ego na social media.
Na
ọrụ na ego na social media je when problem.
When I don't know mother I'm going to matter. When I say no, I 1 million now with the proof.
Wetanu je when unu nwe onye ndị anyị na-atụrụ ego na social media bụ ndị na-aya ahụ. Je na main road ka moto pia jisi ego kwụ ka anyị tụọrọ ego. Mana akwụkwọ ma nke a unu riri unu were ego dewe one side na ịchọ anyị tụchara unu ego solve cha the issue. Unu ewepụtazie dị ime je ego 2024 gigad. We bịa na eme investment here na Nigeria. Upe. Police that are involved in this matter. If that money at all, as Ramadu well, I got about that money. We are not contributing 1 naira again. We are not contributing. I will not still get your police involved. I will not Okwuluora the money. abụte n'ihu TV anyị na-asị ya nna emeta ọkwa nke a nwanne m
for me
we are not contributing
involve for police after the whole thing. COS wele ego nye mmadụ nke nwa na ego COS mana ada ele COS wele ego nye mmadụ
ndị ahụ were ego ndị ahụ jeje kwụ ụgwọ COS ha pụta na social media ebe a ka anyị mara ndị ọrụ ihe a na-ekwusi nso ọ na-adị m ka ọgọst in fact ihe niile a mafe ya so ọrụ ahachi irezi in fact ihe nọ na nke ikpeazụ ahụ na ihe erezi 1 naira because na mmadụ chọrọ iji egwu egwuregwu na app a anyị makwa n'ike I just gbasa nkịta ọ bụrụ na ya amaghị ife
this matter darlinga this matter darlinga ekwesị itiriti this matter ọ bụrụ mmụnwa hey anyị na Nigeria maka I go report to so far as I know na aka m dị ọcha na onwere ihe na the only crime on committee bụ na WhatsApp group m create ka eji mee ife na ndazire na azụ mebezi ife ọzọ ebe afọ I'm not protecting anybody. Ọ na-ayakwa eji isi m warụ mgbọ because mbụrụzi ajọ mmadụ
na-ekwe plan ndị ahụ ka atụọrọ ha 100 and something million n'agụrụ niile a na-agụ ndị Nigeria ebe a.
It's 100. We are
na nke ikpeazụ unu esi UK anata Nigeria. In fact,
we are talking over 300 million.
Ebe a mmeji microphone video.
We are talking over 300 million. It have a lot of time to even if I should get to very dark man, I will like to get report on this case to police.
Dark man. In fact, dark man, in Igbo.
In fact, police to British embassy. Well, like again, look at the scam a committee in your soil. Look at who is involved.
Na keep involved.
That's your no sanction under sanction. Case closed. Case closed. Kaya na balo kiti kata. E blame onya. Whereas na agba ihe ya be me yiri na ebe.
Nda atọ eji Ndi Igbo ebe Facebook big industry na nke ikpeazụ a. Ndi Igbo na-ego anyị n'afọ ha afọ. Anyị atụta that money were ya jee makwa mmadụ ọ na-enye ọrụ na Igbo. Wee were ya nye ndị na-anara AC n'obodo Igbo. Dala.
I got 300 million. Yeah.
Akwụsị m iti egwu.
I got those
cameras. I emepe WhatsApp group. 300 million. After all, highest I drag here for 6 months. I made donation. I worry one nice step up.
Anyway, my only prayer because this stage escalate carry on go. Finally escalate because we can. Only can name
live video.
Only one day, if you are na Sun newspaper, as a BBC, boy, as a CNN, boy, as a make the British government and who say from every because all these people they social media. Who knows? So we can carry very dark man on me. Or some authorities are fugie. For 8 hours, no close to 1 million views on Instagram. On close to 1 million views on Instagram alone. You never can tell who and who. Or we can police say I had a ball also last. I want a police I said to the Yahoo. Last, now that police. My prayer will make this thing no escalate. Somebody's reputation. And then when Ndi was no that they killed on me buntu. Okwuluora should take drastic action. Or what I say, I'm going to report. Once and for all. No room. I couldn't then they na-ala ego na ndị akwụrụ ụgwọ bịazie setụrụzie onwe fa Ono cheba prison, ban prison, na chena ta natano. Nyawa azori si onwe. Akwa azota anya we so bute. Imutu ihe aga emutu. Imutu Mike gị na anyị don.
I'm move to the mic, sorry.
Okay.
So not na you go somewhere.
Na biko
Na
kampo ka ntacho ye mmeri no
yeah,
na be nne otu.
Na ịmana ịtara anụ na-abụ na problem anyị nwere na enwebọ nke anyị tara guy ịta anụ ịbụ
Ọ ga unu erigo
ofu anụ ga nna ata na matakwara anụ na-abụ
ịta anụ chan.
atara m ofu anụ wite azụ mana mụ anyị na-ekwu mụ atala azụ na-abụ ịmago anụ na-abụ mma yọọ dark man biko ya get ya
Abuna ye go to abuna ye go to him. Ya pedu go do.
that talk was there once and for all.
Once and for all onye ọbụla agaba.
Yeah. So as long as na mmadụ zuru the money, as long as na mmadụ zuru the money and onye aka nọ na UK and ama ebe onye a dị ezo nọmbịa ka na-aga aga na onye a na ebe a, that money can be recovered. So police ya nyela anyị aka ka anyị recover ego ụmụnna anyị aka this case bee then ọ bụrụ that na Okwuluora dịkwa involve emekwa ya arrest with international police ịghọtago eme ya arrest with international police ka anyị zuzie ike so that na ịghọtago ka hapụ ịdịkwazi ka everyday a na-ekwu okwu ndị Igbo n'iri ego on social media ka detain bekwuo ịghọtago mana ọ bụ na police anyị get police involved ịmanụ na-agbariri m data here eziokwu ntiri m ọrụ ndị ahụ na mahịa ekwu okwu
Na biko ka ọ dịgodu ka ndị chegodi ihe mmeri first. Be megide ife ada.
anyị bayo ndị eli anyị rapụ ka imewe doro imegide anyị